Hi, thanks for joining me for another edition of my 12 Days of Christmas. This holds either nuggets, a candy bar, or it will hold these little, what are these called? Sweet Stripes candy. I love them. So what you're going to need is cherry cobbler, and you're going to need 2 pieces to run through the 2 tags die, okay? But first we want to emboss them. So I'm going to use the Vintage Wallpaper embossing folder, and I'm going to go emboss these real fast. Okay, now both pieces are embossed. Now what we're going to do is position it right over the tag and go cut that out. Okay, if you did it the other way around, what would happen is it would actually cut this score line instead of scoring it, okay? So you don't want to do that. Okay, so all we're going to do is just attach these. Okay, so for the bottom of the box, you're going to need a piece of cardstock. This is, again, cherry cobbler, 4 3/4 by 3 1/8. You're going to score it at 1 inch on all 4 sides. Okay, so now we're going to fold it on the score lines. And then we're going to cut here, 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 and here. And we're going to fold it up just like that, okay? But what I'm going to do, trim this just a tad, like just a hair. It kind of helps it. So now let's put adhesive on each of these tabs. And there's your little box that fits right in there. See? Okay, so what we'll do is put some adhesive down here. You would want to use sticky strip here, okay? And you're just going to put it right in the center. Okay, see? Now we're going to take some cherry cobbler seam binding with the espresso quilted satin ribbon. Okay, so let's stamp our image. And what I did on this one is I used white, but I thought after I made it, maybe I should have used vanilla. So we're going to make it with vanilla. And we're going to stamp it 2 times. First with cherry cobbler. Okay, and now we're going to stamp it with early espresso. For the cherry cobbler, we're going to use the scallop square punch. And for the center, we're going to use the 1-inch punch. We're going to pop this up. And then this scallop square came from the Scallop Duos die that I used with the Big Shot. Okay, let's sponge our edges real fast. I'm using the Early Espresso ink. And then, let's see, I just used regular adhesive to attach. And then you just attach it. Okay, so now you can decide which one you like best, the vanilla or the white. Now that I've done it, I think I like the white better. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye.